Okay, this is a Windows Server 2008 video on viewing printing preferences, and this is activity 6-7, and we're going to determine the default setup for the printing preferences on a printer. So a couple activities back we installed the printer, and I didn't install the one the book said. I have one already installed that I have here, a Canon, and so we're going to go to printing preferences and see what options we have there to familiarize ourselves with it. So we're going to right click on the printer I installed, and we're going to go to printing preferences, and we have the page setup tab. In this you can choose different sizes of paper, your quality of print, whatever you want, high, low, medium, draft, how many dots per inch you want, paper feed switch. We can change where it feeds the paper in, automatic feed, paper feed, front feed, or front for plain paper. We can just do grayscale, which is just black, or we can do colored. We got choice there that we can make, and we can orientation for our paper, portrait or landscape, and we can also choose to print on both sides. Then we have the advanced key. We can choose how many copies we want to print. We can actually preview it before we print, or we can just print directly. And we can open up. We can select this to open up the printing preferences. We can adjust the page, so we can scale our document to fit to the page, or adjust the margins, and then we have a finishing tab, and I don't have many choices on this tab with this particular printer, where if I had a more of a business printer instead of a photo printer, I would have more choices here where I could actually have it to where it will staple, punch, or bind. You can make those choices of what doing that stuff. You can choose the different layout direction. You can choose multiple pages per sheet. Then we have the compression tab, so I can compress it to where you have no image, or extreme, maximum, or optimal. And this one's set on optimal. Don't know why you would ever set it on no image. That would just be silly. So that is pretty much concludes this video on the viewing printing preferences. It's always a good thing to go in and look at that. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you have a great day.